everybody. I was just looking out my window to see if I could spy any birds fluttering around. I love to watch birds out my window. There are some that are really big and some that are really small. There are some that are very colorful and some that are just black or brown even. I was inspired by the birds to create this little bird. He has 2 wings and he has a triangle-shaped nose, and he's got some little feet and some eyes, and birds have a tail. I've created a demonstration for you on how to make your own little rocking paper bird. Have fun. Be creative. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye. The materials you'll need for this project are colored paper, glue, scissors, and a pencil. Let's start by folding our large piece of paper in 4 sections and then cutting it in half. Then you can trace a circle and cut this out. This will be the body. Next, fold the edge over almost half and then cut little notches. Then fold the other side and use a pencil to curve the wings back. You can use the scrap to cut for the tail. You'll need a little rectangle and you just cut notches, then fold them back and forth and curl the edges with the pencil. Next, we're going to make the head. Trace a circle on your paper and cut it out. Now let's make the beak and the feet. The beak is just a triangle and the feet are half circles. Cut them from a piece of orange paper. You can make eyes by placing a dot inside of a circle, or you can use some googly eyes. Let's put all the pieces together now. Place the tail in between the 2 feathers and the body. Next, add the head. Add a little bit of glue and attach the other side. Now let's add the beak and the feet. Place 1 triangle on each side of the head and 1 foot on each side of the body. 1 eye goes on each side of the head too.